Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the lid on your Whirlpool washer. It's a very easy repair to do. It only requires one Torx screwdriver and you'll be all set. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you're probably looking at replacing the lid on your Whirlpool washer is it's probably been damaged. Either something heavy fell on it and cracked the glass, or just even closing the lid, it might have got slammed a little too hard and they'll break. Either the glass will crack or the corners will break off where the hinges are. So to remove the lid, it's very easy to do. There's two screws on either side that are securing the lid to the door hinges. So all you really need is the one Torx screwdriver to remove the screws on either side. So now with the Torx screwdriver, I'm simply going to remove the screws. So with the screws removed, you don't have to worry about the lid just falling away or slipping apart, because the lid actually slides down on top of the hinge. So taking the screws out doesn't cause any reason for concern at this point. So this side's removed. We want to remove the two on the other side as well. So again, just going to remove these two screws. So now that we have the screws removed from both sides, we just need to lift our lid off of the hinges. Just take hold of it and lift straight up. And take it and put it to one side. So now to reinstall the lid, it's very easy to do. Your hinges are already in the upright position. We're simply going to have to set the lid in what would be the open position and just lower it down onto those hinges. Now that it's in place, we just have to put our screws back in. So now we have the screws secured on this side. We just need to put the other two in the other side. So with our screws put back in and well secured, all we need to do now is just close our lid. And it's just that easy to replace the lid on your Whirlpool washer.